our press conference.
Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are here with our winning coach, Renzi Bahar. Coach Renzi, kanina nga po nasabi mo na ang trinabaho niyo talaga sa training ay yung takbuhan. And we definitely saw the results today. First half pa lang, 19 fast break points. Coach, what did you like most about the way your team executed in transition and capitalized dito sa short-handed na TNT?
Yes, first of all, I would like to thank the Lord na binigyan kami na unang panalo for this conference. Yun lang, like what I said in the before the start of the game, challenge ko yung mga players ko to commit number one on defense. Because for our last 3 games that we play, especially on our last game against NLEX, kumbaga talagang nagkaroon kami ng masamang depensa. Okay? Nagsimula yon from our rebounding department, at the same time yung transition defense. Okay? So that's why after our loss against NLEX, so kumbaga trinabaho namin talaga yung number one on defense. Transition defense plus the rebounding. Halos pinatakbo ko sila ng pinatakbo sa training, especially kung coming from the offensive rebound, talagang binibilang namin yun. Talagang kung ilang offensive rebound na mabigay, yun ang itatakbo ng players namin. So that's why siguro ngayon, nag-commit yung mga bata, nag-commit yung mga players namin on our defense alone.